actual part 3. And look how in 1 second this colors up. Boop. See, it's finished. Wow, awesome. Right, let's do the other ones. There. Pull our trigger. And we're gonna draw. Boop. All of them are done. Oh my goodness. Wow. And now we're gonna color them up. Boom. Oh my god, look guys. It's beautiful looking. It's turned out what I wanted. And now, enjoy the last review. So guys, that was the whole video about this, and these markers are super cheap, and they give you 11 colorful markers. And so you guys can see these unifine sign pins made in Malaysia. Let me just show you the nib. Close place. Here. So yeah, it's the nib. That is the nib. So it's really easy that I've drawn, and I have another work to do. That I have to write my name here.